Hello, explorers. Today we embark on an amazing journey to discover our vast solar system. Our solar system is a grand collection of planets that dance around the bright sun. It formed about 4.6 billion years ago, long after the universe first began to glow. There are 8 main planets that call this neighborhood home, each with unique features. Starting closest to the sun, we find Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the red planet Mars. Next are the giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, stretching far into the dark void. Pluto, once a main planet, is now classified as a small but fascinating dwarf planet. The first 4 planets are small and rocky, standing firm against the heat of space. Earth is the largest of these rocky worlds and the only one supporting vibrant life. The outer 4 planets are gas giants, massive spheres made mostly of hydrogen and helium. At the very heart of it all sits the Sun, a star providing essential light. This massive star offers the warmth needed for all the planets to sustain their cycles. Every planet moves around the Sun in a specific path that we call an orbit. The closer a planet is to the Sun, the faster it must travel along its path. Earth takes exactly 1 year to complete its journey around our bright central star. Meanwhile, distant Pluto takes more than 200 years to finish just one single orbit. Long ago, these planets formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust called nebula. Over immense time, tiny particles came together to gradually form the planets we see today. Earth is our precious home, blessed with flowing water and air for us to breathe. It rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, creating the rhythm of day and night. The solar system shows us how truly vast and fascinating our beautiful universe really is. Each planet tells a story of cosmic creation, gravity, and the wonders of deep space. We are lucky to live on a planet that provides the perfect conditions for life. From the rocky surfaces to the swirling gas giants, every world is a unique marvel. The Sun keeps everything in balance, acting as the anchor for our entire planetary system. Gravity pulls these worlds into their paths, ensuring they stay on their celestial tracks. Imagine the silent beauty of these planets as they drift through the cold, dark vacuum. Scientists study these worlds to learn more about how our own Earth came to be. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding our place among the distant, twinkling stars. Space is a frontier that continues to inspire curiosity in explorers of all ages today. Keep looking up at the night sky and wondering about the mysteries of the cosmos. There is so much more to learn about the neighbors in our own cosmic backyard. The history of the solar system is written in the rocks and gases of space. Thank you for joining this adventure through the wonders of our incredible solar system today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Keep exploring the wonders of the universe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.